checking out this car from my buddy. Long story about this car. It's been sitting for quite some time. Doesn't sound very good, but it's been sitting probably before 2020, if I'm not mistaken. It sounded like I had a little knock to it. BMW, baby. Now it's kind of going away. I mean, this thing probably desperately needs an oil change. It needs a bath, but first you gotta work out this stuff. So I'm gonna check it out, see what the deal is. Oh my god, what a mess. Even the engine. Ugh. This car really needs my help. Living life, he just needs another one. His girl has an X5, but you know, he needs a white one. She's got a black one, so he needs another car. I think he's got 7 cars now, so he definitely needs an 8th car. This guy's got serious issues. He's a lot worse than I am. I mean, there's this other guy, Choppy, too. Choppy buys a ton of cars, but he never has like 7 or 8 at a time, at least. You know what I mean? Yep, living the dream. Hey, you living the African-American dream or what? No?
Years ago, it's different.
Oh, it's different now? Okay. Yeah, I got you.
Everybody's...
Game is over. I don't know. What? So... You wait. So you have 7 cars. So you have one for each day of the week. What where's this come in? This is like a leap year car?
I think 7 cars. Now I just get a car if I like it. Back
oh, okay.
Something. You know, this is my Thursday car, man. On Saturday, I'm breaking out with something new, all right? Saturday, report to Brakes for blow up.
Well, I know you had a Monday, a Thursday, a Saturday car. I don't know.
Yeah, actually, this one is a white car, so...
Okay.
Everybody represents America.
Yeah, look at... Trump 2025, baby. Hell yeah. That's it. See, he joined the Trump team. He knows. Look, things are looking better already. Election's over. This guy's buying another car. Who's better than him? He was a little scared. Now he's ready to make this move. Not only is this vehicle cheap, but it's going to cost whatever he's paying for it. It's going to cost that to fix it because it's a BMW. But okay, it's cool. It's all good. So we're doing the test drive. Look, a lot of the rust is starting to come off slowly. All right, let's see what we have. Yeah, look, there's a little smoke. Open up this hood. Let's see what that is. I mean, listen, it could be just burning off residue. It may have like a little. I think these are notorious. It's on the right more. It's on the right-hand side more. Oh yeah. So I think if we pulled these off, you would probably see like a lot of residue. You know, this panel.
Right.
Oh, you know what? I'll do that. I'll put my gloves back on. Honestly, it probably needs a valve cover. I heard these are notorious for that. And you know what? With all this wind, hold on. Let me shut this video.